Check this out. This is Benares Modern Indian Cuisine. This place is ridiculous. The food here looks amazing. Very beautiful ambiance. Ooh, this is gonna be good. This is a mocktail. It's called a yellow spotler. And here's another mocktail. This is the tamarind lager north. It is spicy, sour and sweet.
कहानी है तुझसे मेरी है तुझसे बंधे सांसें मेरी लगे तुझ संग हर एक लम्हा खो न जाऊं मैं तुझ में कहीं.
It is clear that these people are very, very proud of their, I shall say, masterpieces. Everything looks absolutely beautiful. It is so beautifully plated and garnished. I actually had the privilege of having a look in the kitchen, and the care that the chef took in plating all of this was incredible. It was so nice to witness that.
So this is called banana leaf cottage cheese. As you see, this there's a two-layer of cottage cheese, which is having a stuffing with the South Indian masala, and then we wrap the two slab of cottage cheese in it, which are wrapped in a banana leaves, and then we put it on a griddle and it's cooked in the steam of that. The elements which we are using along with is your beetroot gel. This is tomato chutney, sir. This dish comes from the southern part of India. We have a rava dosa as a garnish on top, sir. And these are microgreens which are organically grown in-house and hand-picked.
That's amazing.
All right. Banaras is a modern Indian, so we have a little touch of modernization in everything.
The restaurant is located in Sukhumvit 13, and the nearest BTS station to here would be the Nana BTS station. As for the premises itself, there is free parking available, lots of it. So inside the building you can park on the third floor, and make sure you bring this down to the restaurant for them to stamp, because you get 4 hours parking complimentary. I'm enjoying all of this food here tonight on a Hungry Hub deal. It is 1,550 Thai baht to have all you can eat from their fine dining menu, plus you also get items from their premium menu, 2 mocktails per person free, as well as 3 drinks per person. If you have a look at the Hungry Up application, you'll see they also have deals from as little as 1,250 for all you can eat, and there's also party packs for 1,175. The restaurant is open 7 days a week, from 11 in the morning until 11 at night, and they take a little break between lunch and dinner. This chicken is absolutely fantastic. It is so moist and so tender, very, very flavorful too. I'm truly in my happy place here. We actually order Indian food for our house every single Tuesday, but not like this. This is really fine dining. My goodness, this is something completely new for me, and it's a wonderful experience. Everything tastes amazing, it smells good, it looks beautiful. You can see they take a lot of care in the preparation of their food here. Despite planning my route, coming here tonight was a little bit confusing, because the restaurant is actually not in the street. It is in the parking area. You can actually see the motorcycles here behind me. So when you do arrive, there's a sign out front that says the name of the restaurant, and there's an arrow that points around the corner. So make sure you come into the parking area, and here's the entrance of this really fantastic venue. Benares Themed Indian Restaurant creates an enchanting ambience with flickering diyas casting a warm glow. The decor, inspired by the spiritual Ganga River, transports diners to the heart of India. Immerse yourself in a culinary journey where exquisite flavors and cultural richness converge in a harmonious celebration of Indian cuisine. Oh man, it's like a curry lover's paradise here. There's so many curries here. Got 3 different naan breads. And even these drinks. This here is a mango lassi, this is a jaljeera, and this is a sweet lassi. This mango lassi is good. Right, let's dig in. So I'm going to start with the garlic naan and the butter chicken.
हे शायराना अपना फसाना समझेगा समझेगा क्या ये जमाना बातें बनाना नींदें चुराना छोड़ो ना ये दिल को लुभाना कुड़िए सुन ले तो सुन मेरी बात कुड़िए रह जा मेरे साथ कुड़िए.
It's 11:20 and the restaurant is officially closed, but another 2 tables just walked in and they're happy to serve the guests even though it is quite late. Which brings you to another point. The service here is phenomenal. Very attentive, everybody's very kind, very helpful. The staff are very knowledgeable about these various dishes. There's so much story involved to all of these different dishes. It's dessert time. This is a Bailey's Gulab Jamun, and this one over here is a mango coffee. This is a cold dessert, and this one is a hot dessert. The Bailey's in here is really good. It's almost like a nightcap. It's like a warm pudding. That's like something my grandmother would make. I was told that coffee means ice cream. Oh, this is like a sorbet. Very nice. There's a hint of, I don't know, some spice in it. Very good. This was a wonderful culinary experience. You really need to come and try out Benares Modern Indian Cuisine.